Okay, so here we go. I've installed the drivers for the American Audio Radius 3000. That's the ones that you find on the website. However, make sure that they are compatible with your operating system. If you're operating on a 64-bit, make sure that they are compatible with the 64-bit, because I believe they're for 32-bit. So if you're using a 64-bit, it's not going to work in your system. So now, once I install the driver and I run it and you know, set up the whole thing on the computer, you just go to config, and on the mappers you should see American Audio Radius 3000 in this section here. If you don't see it, just click here and you should see him. Alright, there should be if it's running, if the program was installed properly, you should see American Radius 3000 on there. If not, all you do is click on this little button here, and you might want to do rescan for new devices, and your radio should pop up. Close this window, and now make sure that your Radius 3000s are turned on and that they are on the media mode, both of them. Once you have them both in media mode, plug them into your laptop. Also make sure that your Versa port is plugged into the back of to your USB port to your computer, and that the outputs are going to your mixer. Channel 1 to channel 1 of your mixer, and channel 2 to your mixer. And that should be it. It's you shouldn't have any more problems. You click on your folder, and you should be able to load up your tracks by using the knobs. As you can see, I'm scrolling down through the menu. Pick any song. There it is. Load it. I have full control with it, as you can see. Everything seems to be working just fine. So once again, on your configuration, make sure that this here is pointing towards your on sound setup, that you have it on the known. On the inputs, make sure there's none. Outputs, external mixer, sound card, the ACO or ASIO card, and in here, make sure that it's pointing towards your Versa port card. Click apply, and also once again the mappers. Make sure that you see the American Audio Radius 3000 in here. If you don't see it, like I said, rescan for new devices, and you should be able to see your radios come up. That's if the file was installed properly. However, if you're using Virtual DJ 7.4, you don't need the drivers, because they're compatible with the Radius 3000. However, if it's not, contact American Audio and ask them if the driver that they have is for a 32-bit or for a 64-bit operating system. If it's for a 32 and you're running 64, tell them to give you the 64 update. Alright, I hope this little tutorial helps you, and hit me up if you have any more questions. Alright, cool.